Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our lesson number 3 of grammar book, subject verb agreement. In previous lesson we have read about subject and predicate. I hope you have understood about the subject very well. We know we can find the answers who or what in subject. Beta, subject tells the answer of who or what, and subject can occur in two forms. One is singular subject and another is plural subject. Here some examples of singular subject and here the some examples of plural subject. Means one person, place or thing. Singular in number. Examples: the boy, the temple, the pen. And in plural subject, more than one person, place or thing, that is plural in number. And examples: the boys, the temples, the pens. And with the singular subject, when single thing is there, single noun is there, then we use singular verb, and singular verbs are used with singular subjects. For example, drinks, eats, jumps, and these verbs end with s. And in plural subject, plural verbs are used with plural subjects. When the subject is plural, means more than one, then subject is plural. And then with plural subject we use plural verb. For example, drink, eat, jump, and these verbs do not end with s, as we have read in translation that if the subject is singular, then we use verb with s, and when the subject is plural, then we use verb without s. See this first example: the boy drinks milk. Here we use verb the drinks. Subject is the boy, and the single boy is there, means that is singular subject. Here we use verb with s. And when the plural subject, now the boy change into the boys, not one boy, now these are more boys, and the boys drink milk. When the plural subject is there, then we use plural verb. As I have told you, when with plural subject we use verb without s. See in second example, the pen is used to write, and in plural subject the pens are used to write. So when single pen is there, one pen is there, then it is singular subject, and we use verb is. And when plural subject, means more pens are there, then we used are, helping verb are. Now in third, the temple needs some repair. Now the one temple is there, singular subject, we use verb with s. In plural subject, when more temples are there, then we use verb without s. Number 4, the cat chases rat. Here the cat is a singular subject, only one cat is there, we use verb with s. And plural subject, now the more cats are there, and here we use verb without s. In number 5, she has a new bag, they have new bags. Now singular pronoun is there, she, then we use verb has, and here plural pronoun they, and we use plural verb have. In 6 and 7 sentence, he did her job well, I had long nails. Did and had verbs are used with both singular and plural subjects. मीन्स जब सब्जेक्ट आपका सिंगुलर हो, प्लूरल हो, उन दोनों के साथ डिड और हैड जो वर्ब हैं वो दोनों यूज़ हो सकते हैं. He did her job well. We did our job well. So when he changed into we, subject has been changed, plural subject, again same verb is there. I had long nails, but here the subject has been changed, they, but the verb is same, had. They had long nails. So you have to remember that when did or had verb, both are used with singular and plural subject. And the verb be is used with subject pronouns. With I, use am, was. With you, use are, were. He, she, it, singular pronoun. We use helping verb is or was. And we use are or were. And they, we use are or were. Okay, thanks.